To the FENIX family, everyone in our mining teams, our logistics teams, our port operations and our corporate staff, I want to share an exciting and important milestone in our company's evolution. FENIX has grown from a single mine into an integrated resource company with 3 distinct business units. Our mining team delivers premium iron ore products. Our new haul teams deliver efficient road and port logistics. Our success comes from each division focusing on what they do best. New Haul has established its own strong identity in logistics. It's now time for our mining operations to do the same with their own unique identity. That gives me the great pleasure to introduce Westmine. Westmine is our new dedicated mining company within the FENIX Group. The establishment of the Westmine banner supports our expansion strategy. Beyond Iron Ridge, beyond Shine, beyond Beebyn W11, it allows us to pursue new mining opportunities across the Midwest, across multiple commodities and potentially elsewhere. Westmine will work alongside New Haul Road Logistics and New Haul Port Logistics, maintaining the integrated approach that sets FENIX apart. New Haul continues to provide FENIX with industry-leading logistics and port services. Westmine will focus on expanding our mining operations and continuing our excellent performance in mining. Westmine positions us to seize new opportunities. Our ambition is to significantly expand our mining operations, operating our own mines, partnering with other mining companies, and creating even more work for New Haul Road Logistics and New Haul Port Logistics. To our mining team members, the new Westmine identity reflects your mining expertise, enshrined with FENIX values, FENIX employment conditions, and FENIX culture. Westmine captures and directs the FENIX A team in mining. For our New Haul Road Logistics teams, more mining opportunities and more mining volumes mean more haulage opportunities and volumes, with the potential to transform more commodities across the Midwest and elsewhere in a growing and exciting pathway. To the New Haul Port Logistics team, you're going to see increased volumes, opportunities to handle new customers, as well as expanded Westmine FENIX volumes. To the corporate team at FENIX, we have a unique structure. It provides clarity for our team members, for our investors, and will enhance our ability to pursue these new opportunities with a strong platform for growth. Over the coming months, you'll see the Westmine branding being unrolled at all of our operations. Updated uniforms for the mining team, new signage, new documentation, and you'll hear more communication about Westmine, growth opportunities, and FENIX. It's more than just a new name for our mining team. Westmine is about positioning both the mining team, but all parts of the FENIX business for growth. Westmine gives us a platform to expand our mining operations and create opportunities across our divisions. Whether you're in mining, logistics, operations, or the corporate team, you're part of a very exciting next step for FENIX.